The most powerful weapon in history didn't kill with steel or gunpowder. It was a biological sensor designed to detect a specific DNA lineage. From Charlemagne and Napoleon to the highest ranks of the Third Reich, the most obsessed conquerors in history were hunting for a single iron spearhead. This is the Spear of Longinus, the Spear of Destiny. And in the lens of bio-mythology, it wasn't a relic of the church, it was a genetic key. Legend says this spear pierced the side of a being with God DNA, staining the iron with a blood that was chemically different from our own. To a priest, this was a holy wound. To a scientist, this was a contamination protocol. Why was it forbidden? Because the spear wasn't designed to take life, it was designed to identify it. History suggests that whoever held the spear controlled the fate of the world, but only if their own blood was compatible. It wasn't a weapon that gave you power, it was a sensor that confirmed you were part of the architect's lineage. But here's the secret the conquerors died to keep. The spear isn't a magical charm, it's a biological mirror. In biomythology, the Spear of Longinus represents genetic memory. The reason every emperor needed to hold it was to prove their right to rule was hard-coded in their cells. It was a physical test of the major histocompatibility complex, the part of our DNA that recognizes our own kind. The spear didn't grant victory. It triggered a psychological and biological software update in the person holding it, convincing them they were invincible because their DNA was divine. We were taught to look at the spear as a piece of ancient iron, but the blueprint reveals a different truth. You are the sensor. Your blood is the record. The ancients knew that certain frequencies and materials could wake up dormant genetic markers in the human body. You don't need a spear found in a museum to rule your world. You need to unlock the God code already flowing through your veins, because those who wait for a weapon are usually the ones who become its target. Subscribe to Sayenmythos to unlock the forbidden bloodline within. Because the most powerful weapon in history didn't kill with steel or gunpowder, it was a biological sensor designed to detect a specific DNA lineage.